this video, I will be sharing with you how you can add a credit card to your Apple Wallet. So you want to launch your Apple Wallet, and at the top, you want to select this plus icon. Select the option that says debit or credit card. Here, select continue. You have the option to scan your card or enter it manually. So I am going to scan my card because I'm sharing my screen. You're not seeing that option on the screen. So it actually scanned my card and proceeded to this page. Here I'm going to select next. Again, my card number is actually hidden. Now I need to enter the expiry date and the security code. Once you enter expiry date and security code, all you need to do is select next. This will take a couple seconds to complete. Agree to the terms and conditions. My card has been successfully linked to Apple Wallet. So now I need to perform a card verification by means of a text message or I can call RBC. Once I proceed to verify my card for my Apple Wallet, my card will be linked just like the other card. But I do not want this card on my Apple Wallet now, so for now I'm going to select done. So even though it's added, it's not verified, so I can't use it to do transactions. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.